Provisioning tutorial. Step 6. Add a password generator to generate default AD user passwords. In this step, we'll create a password generator that generates default passwords for our AD account mappings. Let's begin. Go to Processing, Password Generation. Click Add. Enter a generator name. For this example, we'll call it PGAD, following the convention PG target system. You can use any convention you want, but starting your password generators with PG helps differentiate them throughout the NIM interface. Click Create. Now we will configure the password generator. By default, a password generator generates a random password. Click the Random cell in Part 1 to see the default rules. We'll increase the minimum length and maximum length of the random password to 15 characters and enable the Exclude Similar Characters rule. The example value is updated in real time. Optionally, if needed, you can enable the Use Filter checkbox and select a filter to pull columns from, just like we did in the name generator. For this example, we will use a completely random password. Click Save. This concludes the provisioning tutorial step 6.